Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 6. First of all, welcome to my period and I hope that you are all very well. So now beta, today our topic, our work is to solve the exercises of lesson 20. Previous day we read lesson 20 with meaning, and today we will learn some exercises and we will solve exercises of lesson 20. So now beta, open your textbook and page number 105 means 105. Now comprehension and vocabulary. Comprehension अकुल समझ and आई vocabulary लफ्ज़न जो ज़कीरो. Exercise number A. Here is a list of the most important things that happened in the story. So here is the list of the most important things that happened in the story. They are in the wrong order. माना इते हुए इन लाइन गलत तरतीब सां पुट गे पोड इन लाइन. Put them in the right order by writing one by the first, second by the second, and so on. यानी पुट हिते जेका सेंटेंस ॾिनल आहिनि या जेका लिस्ट ॾिनल आहे या माना सही तरतीब में न आहे. हाणे तव्हांखे इहा शइ पाण खे करणी आहे त इन जी तरतीब ॾियणी आहे. जेको सेंटेंस फस्ट ते थो अचे, जेको इन स्टोरी में सेकेंड ते थो अचे, थर्ड ते, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ मीन्स कहिड़े बि नंबर ते उहो तव्हांखे तरतीब ॾियणी आहे. सो बेटा वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल रीड this story. After you will solve this exercise yourself. So beta don't you worry and try to solve this exercise. So exercise number A you will solve yourself. Okay, now beta page number 106. Here is a list of words and phrases taken from the passage. The meanings are given below but in the wrong order. Write the meaning by each. Now beta means same meaning. Means same meaning beta. So now exercise B. Write the same meaning. You write the meaning of these words. Now first jealous. Word and its meaning. Jealous. Okay beta, jealous means साड़ कंदड़, हसद कंदड़. हेठ वर्ड्स पुट ॾिनल आहिनि, तव्हांखे सिर्फ़ु हिनखे ठाहे लिखणा आहिनि. मेड contented. Okay. So now second word impossible. नामुमकिन. Impossible, something that cannot. Now beta something that cannot happen. Sorry. Something that cannot happen. Now number third, turn pale. फिको थी वञनि. Turn pale. What beta? Turn pale. Lost color in one's cheeks. Lost color in one's cheeks. Okay. Now number 4, pretending. First, second, third, now 4. Pretending, acting. Okay. Now number 5, astonished. Astonished, surprised greatly. Surprise greatly. Okay. And now number 6, cunning. What beta? Cunning. Cunning, clever at deceiving. Cunning. Cunning, clever at deceiving. Okay. Now number 7, means to, intends to. Means to, intends to. Okay. So sore, 8. Painful when touched. Painful when touched. Okay. Teach manners, how to behave with others. How to behave with others. What teach manners? How to behave with others. Okay. Hollow, empty space. What beta? Empty space. Okay. 11, rigid. Rigid. Right, 8. Now 12 at last. 8 in the end. Okay. In the end. Now 13, satisfied. Okay, satisfied. Want something of, want something of someone else. Okay. Last 14, seized his opportunity. Seized his opportunity. Took his chance. What beta? Took his chance. Now beta, meaning these words: zealous means contented, impossible is something that cannot happen, turn pale, lost color in one's cheeks, pretending, acting, astonished, surprised greatly, cunning, clever at deceiving, means to, intends to, sore, painful when touched, teach manners, how to behave with others, hollow, empty space, reached, arrived at last, in the end, satisfied, want something of someone else, seized his opportunity, took his chance. Now beta, oral exercises, and these exercises very simple. First of all, I will teach you, I will learn you adjective and its degrees. What beta? Adjective and its degrees. So I think, can I rest these exercises? Yes. Okay. So now beta, first of all, I will teach you previous lectures. I have already learned you noun, pronoun, verb, adverb. So now today we will learn adjective. What beta? Adjective. What is an adjective? Means sifat. Okay. So what is an adjective? Who will tell me? No? Okay, don't you worry, I will tell you. Adjective is a word which is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. Right beta? Sifat. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. पुट सिफ़त एक अहिड़ो ग्रामेटिकल लफ़्ज़ आहे जेको असांखे इसमिया ज़मीर जी ख़ूबियुनि ख़ामियुनि मेरिट्स डीमेरिट्स विर्चू वाइस खे छा कंदो आहे, क्वालिफाई कंदो आहे, ज़ाहिर कंदो आहे, बयानु कंदो आहे, ॾेखारींदो आहे, ॿुधाईंदो आहे. राइट बेटा? कीअं? सपोज नाउन और प्रोनाउन. चलो, आई विल राइट द एग्जाम्पल ऑन द बोर्ड. He is a brave boy. Now beta, he is a brave boy. He एक बहादुर छोकरो आहे. माना brave कंहिंजी क्वालिटी ॿुधाई? बॉय जी. राइट पुट? त ही छा आहे? हिकु बहादुर छोकिरो आहे. नाउ अदर एग्जाम्पल, she is intelligent girl. हूअ हिकु ज़हीन इंटेलिजेंट छोकिरी आहे. छा खे क्वालिफाई कई पुट? गर्ल खे क्वालिफाई कई. राइट? या he is a poor man. माण्हू जो ॿुधाई पुट त ही ग़रीब माण्हू आहे. सो नाउ इंटेलिजेंट एडजेक्टिव, ब्रेव एडजेक्टिव एंड पुअर एडजेक्टिव. छाजे करे पुट इहो नाउन या प्रोनाउन खे क्वालिफाई थो करे. उन जी विर्चू वाइस मेरिट्स डीमेरिट्स, जंहिंखे असां सिंधी में चवंदा आहियूं ख़ूबियूं ख़ामियूं, उन्हनि में उणायूं या उन्हनि जूं सुठियूं जेके माण्हू में हूंदियूं आहिनि आदतूं, उनखे क्वालिफाई करे थो. राइट पुट? एन एडजेक्टिव इज़ अ वर्ड विच यूज्ड टू क्वालिफाई नाउन और प्रोनाउन. राइट पुट? ॾिसो, ही इज़ अ ब्रेव बॉय. ब्रेव छा आहे? छोकिरे जी ख़ूबी आहे. त हू छोकिरो जेको आहे इहो छा आहे? बहादुर आहे. राइट पुट? या एड समथिंग, हिन में का शेड था, ही इज़ अ बॉय, बॉय जे ॾाढो सां शायनो से ब्रेव, एट समथिंग छा जे करनी से तो क्वालिफायर नाउन आर प्रोनाउन. सो नाउ शी इज़ अ इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, हूअ हिकु ज़हीन छोकिरी आहे. राइट पुट, ही इज़ अ पुअर मैन, ही ग़रीब माण्हू आहे. सो नाउ कंपेरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. नाउ कैन आई erase this side? Yes, okay. What beta? Comparison of adjectives. Sorry. Comparison of adjectives means degrees of an adjective. Degrees of adjective. Right put. How many degrees of an adjective? Do you know how many degrees of an adjective? Yes or no beta? Do you know? No. Okay, don't worry, I will tell you. How many degrees of an adjective? 3 degrees of an adjective. Which? First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And last, third, superlative degree. Okay, now beta, comparison of adjectives, degrees of an adjective. Right, how many degrees of an adjective do you know? No. Okay, so don't you worry, I will tell you. I will write on the blackboard. 3 degrees of an adjective. First positive, second comparative, third superlative. 3 degrees of an adjective. Which degrees? How many degrees of an adjective? 3 degrees of an adjective. First positive, second comparative, and third superlative degree. Now, first positive degree. First positive degree. The positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. The positive degree, the positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. Right put. The positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. This simple form of the adjective is it is used when no comparison is required. Comparison is required पुट हेॾे ॾिसो बाबा, पॉजिटिव जेका डिग्री हूंदी आहे उहा सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव जीअं एज एडजेक्टिव हूंदो आहे, माना त उन जो कंहिंसां बि को कंपेरिज़न, कंहिंसां बि का भेट न आहे हूंदी। राइट पुट, कीअं जन तव्हांखे मां ॿुधाए चुकी आहियां, एग्ज़ाम्पल ॾेई चुकी हुयमि एडजेक्टिव जा। ही इज़ अ ब्रेव बॉय। ॾिसो पुट, हीअ असांजी पॉजिटिव डिग्री अची वई, छाकाणि त सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ ए पॉजिटिव डिग्री इज़ अ सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव। ॾिसो पुट, हिन जो माना कंहिं बि ॿिए सां हिन नाउन या प्रोनाउन जो कंहिं ॿिए सां कंपेरिज़न न, ही पंहिंजो मट पाण, यानी कि ही इज़ अ ब्रेव बॉय, हिन खे असां कंहिं ॿिए सां कंपेरिज़न नथा कयूं, ही पंहिंजो मट पाण आहे। राइट पुट, या ही इज़ एन ऑनेस्ट मैन, ही इज़ एन ऑनेस्ट मैन, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव डिग्री, या इन कंपेरिजन कंहिंसां बि न, ही पंहिंजो मट पाण आहे। नाउ नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, comparative degree. What is comparative degree? This form of an adjective, this form of an adjective is used when two things is used when two things of the same kind are compared. Same kind are compared. Now beta, very simple, only be careful, listen to me. Now beta, positive comparison, no comparison, anything, any person, no comparison, right? And comparative degree is comparison between two things, same kind or class. Now this form of an adjective is used when two things of the same kind are compared. यानी ॿ शयूं हुजनि जिन जो ऐं साॻी क़िस्म जूं हुजनि, उन ॿिनि जे विच में जेको कंपेरिज़न थींदो आहे, उते असां छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं पुट, कंपेरेटिव डिग्री। जीअं एज एग्जाम्पल, he is cleverer, she is cleverer than her brother. Example, she is cleverer than her brother. राइट बेटा, ॾिसो छा थो चवे, ॿिनि शयुनि जे विच में ॿई शयूं साॻी क्लास जूं, शी एंड ब्रदर, हर ब्रदर, कंपेरिज़न बिटवीन टू पर्सन्स, कहिड़ो कंपेरिज़न आहे, क्लेवरर। राइट पुट, कहिड़ो कंपेरिज़न, माना शी इज़ क्लेवरर देन हर ब्रदर, हूअ माना चालाक आहे पंहिंजे भाउ खां। राइट पुट, त हीअ असांजी छा आहे, right, okay, any question? No beta. So now third, superlative degree, नाले माई पुट superlative, okay, and then we use only comparative degrees, not the superlative and positive, only used in comparative degrees. Right put, this superlative degree is the degree. The superlative degree is the highest degree of quality. Okay, highest degree of quality. The superlative degree is the highest degree of quality, right beta? So now it is used when more than, it is used when more than two things of the same kind. Two things of the same kind. Right beta? Of the same kind or person are compared. Are compare. Right beta? Iqbal is the example. Iqbal is the most intelligent man I have ever seen. Yeah, she is the cleverest. She is the more cleverest than her brother. Right? Now more we use comparative degrees and most we use superlative degrees, and then we are using almost comparative degrees. Right beta? So now adjective and its degrees. 3 degrees of an adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. So now beta, page number 106, first table 1, 2, 3. You will read yourself. Now fill in the blank spaces. So beta, today we will today our topic have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you new topic. So thank you so much and wish you very best of luck.